Hello all, myself Professor Girish Nole. I'm working as Assistant Professor in Computer Engineering Department of AISSMS IOIT, and I'm here to introduce the types of attacks in cybersecurity. So attack we'll see one by one. Okay, so there are main two types of attacks. One is active attack and other one is passive attack. So active attack and passive attack. Active attack is nothing but whenever a sender sends a message to receiver, so in between the intruder or the attacker change the content of the message. That is nothing but active attack. So whenever there is change of message occurs between during the transmission of sender and receiver, then that type of attack is active attack. Second type of attack is a passive attack. So what is passive attack? Passive attack, the intruder just monitors the information which is transmitted between sender and receiver, but it is the intruder is not making any kind of modification in that message. That is passive attack. So this passive attack is very difficult to detect because it is very because there is no change of message takes place during the transmission, but the intruder just monitors the transmission which is occurring between sender and receiver. So here this passive attack keylogger is the best example of passive attack. So keylogger. So whenever in cyber cafe or uh, some machines, the intruders installs the keylogger. Okay. So whenever keylogger is there, the keylogger just monitors all the activities which the user is doing on the particular machine. So after monitoring that particular attacks activities, the user keylogger just captures all the activities, and the hacker take monitors all the transmission. And now next time, the through using that keylogger activities events, the intruder can get the access of the particular resources which is assigned to that sender. Now next time the intruder will log in to that particular application, and it will get all the access of that particular resources. So that is passive attack. So types of passive attacks. First one is release of message contents and traffic analysis. So release of message content and traffic analysis. Traffic analysis, basically it is in traffic analysis, uh, the intruder is just monitoring all the packets which is transmitting between the sender and receivers. So analyze is what it is just detecting the patterns of message which is transmitted between the sender and receiver. So it just monitors, and through that monitoring traffic analysis, the attacker gets some clues about the message pattern between sender and receiver. So this traffic analysis is also very hard to detect. First one is release of message content. Release of message content, that means whatever the message is released between sender and receiver, that immediately captured by the attacker. So these type passive attacks just monitors the captures events between sender and receiver. So this is a passive attack. Now types of active attacks. Active attacks is nothing, as I said, active attack is just modification of the message. So first one is interruption, second is modification, third one is denial of service attack. Interruption, that means let's say key user A is a user A wants to access some resources. User A is a valid user for accessing that resources, but uh, user C is a attacker. User C is making some interruption for accessing that resources. That is nothing but interruption. Modification, second is modification. Modification is nothing but change in the content of the message. So whenever intruder is making some modification in that, changing that particular message, uh, that is nothing but the modification of this modification of the message. That is types of attack. Third one is denial of service attack. In short, it's a DOS attack. So denial of service attack, that means a particular user is accessing some resources, right? But in that case, the intruder is sending some malicious request to the resources side, so that the resources side will be busy in serving the intruder. But in that case, user the resources side will be not serving to particular valid user. So that is nothing but a denial of service attack. So these types of active attack are very easy to detect because modifications of the message uh, is occurring. So active attack is very easy to detect, but passive attacks are very hard to detect because they are just monitoring or capturing the events between, which is monitoring between sender and receivers. These passive attack are very hard to detect. So these are the different types of attack: passive attack and active attack. This is all about passive attack and active attack.